everyone. It's Sunday, October 27th. Time for another HideNet Week in Review. I'm Vera Dordick. Starting with the United States, once again, the steer market remains steady, although some packers said business was slower than last week. Of course, that is partly because sellers are well sold enough that on some selections there's just no availability. Regular weight heavy Texas steers recorded some sales this week at fluctuating prices. When all was said and done, though, at the end of the week, the highest price paid for the period was $28 on 64.66 pounds, which was steady with previous trading. With regard to U.S. slaughter, the total was 640,000, just 2,000 head fewer than last week. Export sales for the week ending October 19th were a stellar high at 616,700, and shipments were also solid at 609,500. In our observations this week, we take a look at the factors in the market that are leading to some cautious optimism among U.S. sellers. So you'll want to have a look at that. Turning to Europe, our editor Andrea Guolo says that some cow origins saw increases thanks to the warm weather that is delaying the appearance of heavier cow hides on the market. With regard to bulls, the market for heavy hides has firmed, and Andrea details some things that happened this week with regard to sales and what that means for the bull market in the coming weeks. In the UK and Ireland, prices were again unchanged during the week at 75 pence for the 36 plus English ox. As has been the case for the past couple of weeks, there are some spotty opportunities for getting a discount of a few cents. Turning to South America, editor Ronald Guiel reports from Brazil that raw hide prices eased by 3 cents to 59 cents per kilo, mainly because of fluctuations in the exchange rate. It's still at 15 cents in U.S. Currency. TR1 also remains softly steady at 46 cents per square foot. In other news from Brazil, there are a number of industry events on the calendar for the month of November that we detail, and we have news that Minerva signed a joint venture agreement with the Chinese food group. In news from elsewhere in Latin America, Argentina's citizens headed to the polls today for their national elections, and the results of those will likely have some effects on the economy that remain to be seen. In Colombia, Expo Aladi yielded a good amount of business, including for leather and leather goods. Mexico held the latest edition of ANPIC last week, and Uruguay's government repealed an old decree that required quality controls for leather being exported. So that's all we have for today. Until next week, good night from HideNet.